Hi, this is Matthew from Zone 1 Hearing. Today I have the pleasure of having a chat with Alice from Unitron, and she's got a little something to tell us. There's a new product just out, so can you tell us what that's called and what that's all about?
Matthew, so we've launched today in London, beautiful setting, the Unitron Moxi Smile devices.
Amazing. Okay, and if someone was in the market for a hearing aid at the moment and wanted to know a little bit more about them, why would they maybe pick a Unitron Moxi Smile over another type of hearing aid? Are there any unique selling points, anything that makes them different from other things we've already seen?
Yes, so Unitron, we have a fantastic product, and that's really important to us to have a product that is reliable, that's got amazing sound quality. You got to listen to it today, didn't you, Matthew? What did you think of the sound quality?
It was pretty impressive. Yeah, they had to drag me away. It was the music sounded great, the sound effects. Yeah, so I'm just can't wait. I think we've had a couple of people call today to order them, so looking forward to getting them on some other ears. Yeah.
And I think music's been one of those surprising things that we've had comments on at every one of our events across the UK over the last week, where it's maybe not something people have always thought about Unitron first for, but the music and the sound quality that you get when listening to the music through the automatic music program has really wowed a lot of people.
Yeah, oh no, that's excellent. And then just how robust they are. We just had an amazing test with a treated and an untreated cloth. And I mean, that on its own is very impressive. So where is that technology used?
So the Parylene coating that we use on the inside of our hearing aids, that's the same coating that is used by NASA for any of their spacecraft going into space, which really is the harshest of environments. And what it does is it allows any moisture to just roll off the internal circuitry of the hearing aid, ensuring that it's really protected and made sure that it's fit for purpose in everyday life, no matter what they're doing.
Okay. And with patients trying these aids, are they going to be after pressing a lot of buttons and twiddling knobs and be experts in technology, or, can they just stick them in their ears? What sort of interactions would they need to have to use these successfully?
So the idea behind Integra OS, which is our automatic sound classifier and environment, is to make sure that they don't need to change those features and programs in their everyday environment. Okay. The hearing aids will blend between preset settings to ensure that they've got the optimized solution for every one of those environments.
Okay, so should be quite straightforward to use then for a new user. And what if someone buys a hearing aid and then thinks, oh my goodness, I've had these 6 months, I went for the basic one, I'm really liking it, I wish I'd gone for a better version. So they just wait till the next time they buy a hearing aid? What happens then though?
Yeah, so at Unitron, we are the only manufacturer that offers the ability to upgrade with an existing hearing technology. So if you are to buy a level 3 device today, but in 6 months you've started going to busier situations, maybe your lifestyle has changed, you have that ability to upgrade at that point and just pay the difference in the technology level. We've also got a great feature called Log It All that will actually classify your lifestyle and will give you the percentage coverage that each of our technology levels would give you in your life, so that you know which technology level is right for you from the beginning.
Wow, so that sounds amazing. So there isn't that level of guesswork, having to watch 50 videos online and hoping that person gave you a decent sort of opinion on the hearing aid and hoping that actually it's right for you. You actually get to experience it in real life. And if it isn't quite the right level for you, you can upgrade later, or at the very point where you're ordering, you can be advised, well, look, Mr. Smith, this level 3 would be a great hearing aid, but in certain situations, you'd benefit from a higher level of technology, and you get the opportunity to do that based on some science and some facts, not just pure guesswork.
Yeah, absolutely.
Amazing. All right. Well, we know Alice needs to shoot off, but I really appreciate your time with me today and me just grabbing you and you being so willing to come on camera. And can't wait to get these fitted. So we'll have some more video content coming out very soon. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Matthew.